How to create a new account on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make another account on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So just head over to your account, and after you do that, tap on your top username. Simply tap on it. After you tap on add an account, you should be on this sign up for TikTok page. Right here, you can create your account with your phone number. So all you have to do is type in your phone number here, and then you will need to verify your account. Other than that, you can continue with email, you can continue with Facebook, your Apple or your Google account. So these are the easy ways. You can just tap on continue with Google, tap on continue, and then choose an account. After you choose an account, tap on continue, and you should be able to just create an account. So it might take some time, but after that, you will then need to, put in your birth date here, tap on OK. That will take you, and then you'll need to choose a nickname. So just choose a nickname here. I'll just tap on continue, and then you have just created another TikTok account. So yeah, that's basically it guys. That is how you make another account on TikTok. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.